Welcome to Domain Television. I'm your host Robert Davis, and it's a beautiful day in the domaining world. Today's featured domain name holds a very special place close to my heart, or maybe more my stomach, as it represents three of the best words a dessert lover can hear. Order my cake. Now, I've no doubt someone's birthday is going to come early this year with this name, but just in case the benefits of ownership aren't instantly clear, here is the recipe. People love cake. It's estimated in the US alone that we consume around 7 million of them a day, which means a near unthinkable level of cake consumption on a global scale over the course of each year. This, though, is the most elemental core domain name ever registered that communicates the buy signal for custom cake creation down to its bare essence, ordermycake.com. Whoever buys it is going to unquestionably sell more cakes, and possibly even make an incredible name for themselves. And if you already have a great name, then life will be just that much sweeter. But you can create whatever fancy brand you like, and this domain name will work with all of them. The psychology is simple. When it comes right down to it, simplicity sells, which means being easy to remember is a giant boost for conversion rates. If you're using a domain name as a selling tool, the closer the call to action resembles the core intention, the more likely the end result reflects exactly what you're looking for. In this case, the domain is so easy to remember, it may actually inspire people to order more cakes outside of their normal buying patterns. I see a magnet on every refrigerator in America, reminding us that ordering a cake is always the first step in being able to then share it with someone else. This domain name is designed to help inspire cake lovers to make that a habit. And of course, it more than works with our traditional billboard test. To my knowledge, no one's ever actually tried it, but imagine the impact this would have just by placing it on a billboard somewhere along a major interstate. The curiosity factor alone would allow you to sell original cake creations probably to your heart's content. So whether you're a major organization wanting to streamline messaging and maximize your appeal, or you are the ultimate solo artist who enjoys a touch of class to stand out from the crowd, this is the one cake name to rule all other cake names. And not to overdo it, but you can have your cake and eat it too. And due to the rarity and popularity of the keywords and the massive size of the marketplace, this domain name would normally be priced somewhere between $25,000 and $50,000 for future ownership. But because we love cake so much, we're not setting a buy price. Instead, we just want to hear from someone special with an offer that demonstrates your understanding of what can be done with the name. It deserves a very loving home, and we hope it's you. I'd hurry though, because like a good cake, we don't expect this one to stick around very long. As always, I thank you deeply for checking our video out, and I hope you have a wonderful day. You can get a hold of us through the contact details at the end of this video or in the description on the YouTube page. Thank you again.